Welcome everyone, welcome to my channel, and today I want to show you very cool model. I call this model Christmas Village. I remixed it from Kiai and Schermluge. Of course I made it so you can print very easily. No support needed, no raft needed. And this model have place for you LED lamps or even pretty cool. I printed with my Tronxy X5 SA 200 microns, 50 millimeters per second. I think 190 and 55 degrees from local store. Of course you can scale up this model. I don't know if you can scale down this model because houses have very thin walls. Maybe you can try and leave few comments. I decide this time do not use any paint. I'm going to use acetone. Or actually it's not acetone, it's nail gel remover. I just going to add acetone on my model so I can get real nice snow effect. Acetone, 5 minutes of waiting time, and check this out. Real cool, funny looking snow effect. Everyone can make this at home, no problems. Of course it smells a little bit, and maybe you must ask your girlfriend if you can borrow. Enjoy, subscribe, happy 3D printing, and of course, Merry Christmas to you!